So I wanted a better way of carrying around spray cans in the back of my work van. They've just been chucked in a tub for the last few years. And I started out with this, which used to have a foot on it. Don't know where that went. And the method I'd come up with for slotting that in, the foot was the same. Just slot in the bottom. I liked that sort of slot method I'd come up with. So, got carried away. Came up with, God knows, 20, 30 variations until I landed on what's in front of you. And there's what the spray can was. Got carried away a bit more. Did the same thing for sealant tubes. And then a multitude of containers, just because. And it's dawned on me that it may be useful to people other than myself. So this is really just sort of to gauge interest. Got a couple of panels here I haven't mounted yet. The gist is they push together on the sides like that. You can mount them 90 degrees around something if you wanted to, the way they connect together. Just push them. No, that's not quite right. Now it's together, sticks to the wall. These little slot nuts, I suppose you'd call that. Just push that to there, push it up. I liked this way of doing it because if you wanted to, you could actually hide these behind whatever you're mounting on the wall, so you wouldn't actually have to see them. I obviously haven't gone that far on this demonstration wall. But, there's one thing I didn't like about all the other walls you see up there. It's how, you know, a bunch of the slots get taken up just with the joining method. And then you'd have all these ugly joiners just visible. So doing it this way, yeah, you could just have one in there if you wanted. Or in behind that. So, yeah.